Look at little Ivory.
My son behind.
The sinus infection got him. Man, look shit. Man, look shit.
He look like he wore out.
Oh yeah. Like he jumped in that water and caught all them bass with his hand.
Call him the alligator man.
The alligator man, there he is. Leroy, look the evidence. Look the evidence, Leroy.
If the fish don't fit,
They're all gonna be here in a little while, y'all.
come on, baby.
I was trying to call your mama to see if I could let that season on
Just how we
again.
coming.
Gotta be over here.
That's just how we coming. That's just how we coming. That's all I gotta say.
I like my fish.
That's how we coming with them fish.
Put them in here.
Pool ball.
That's what I bought it for. To come over
What's
here.
up?
Dom, that's your daddy. You saw his hands.
Just having fun. Just having
Come
fun.
back, I'm gonna see you soon.
Chantel, here's your husband. Say what's happening. What's happening?
What's happening?
And some garfish.
Mighty, we will send this to Indiana University. A documentary on country living.
Fish with no license.
Mm-hmm.